Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of idioms. Today, we're exploring 10 colorful idioms that add a splash of color to our language. Let's jump right in. First up, we have a black sheep of the family. This idiom describes a person who is considered a failure or disgrace by family standards. Imagine a flock of white sheep with one black sheep standing out. That's our black sheep, the one who's different, sometimes in a way that's not appreciated by the rest. Example: she never went to college, she's the black sheep of the family. Next, we have catch someone red-handed. This means catching someone in the act of doing something wrong, like a hand covered in red paint from a crime scene. He was caught red-handed while trying to steal a car. Get the green light is our next idiom. Just like a traffic light gives you the signal to go. This idiom means getting permission to proceed with something. Example: I got the green light from my boss to begin the project. Ever heard the saying, the grass is greener on the other side? This idiom means that people often believe they would be happier if their situation were different. Example: John always thought the grass was greener on the other side, but when he finally moved to a new city, he realized he missed his old hometown. And lastly, green with envy describes someone who is very jealous. Picture someone turning green because they want what someone else has. Example: he was green with envy when he saw her new car. Color idioms are a fun and vivid way to express ideas and emotions. They add a splash of color to our conversations and make our language more vibrant. Thanks for joining us on this colorful journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting idiom explorations. See you next time, and keep adding color to your words. Stay colorful and creative.
Bye!